Okay, I'm gonna flush out the hot water heater. Haven't done this in a long time. I haven't been able to motivate myself to do it, but it's pretty easy. I recommend you do it too. You just see this faucet right here? Just put a towel under here, and then hook a hose up to it, and run the hose outside. Turn it on and flush it out until the water comes clean, and you'll be done. I'm going to hook up the hose now. Okay, I've got the hose hooked up, hand tight, and now I'm just going to tighten it up like a quarter turn. Maybe a little more there. Oh, I went backwards. Just snug. These will typically leak, but that's why the towel's there. Okay, now I've got a screwdriver, and I'm going to open this up. Don't have to turn off the water to the hot water heater or turn off the gas. Open it slow so there's no water hammer. The hose is running outside, of course. Okay, let's go look outside. Okay, I'm emptying the water into this trash can, and it's actually not that bad. I had flushed it out at the Apollo Hydro Heat spigot a little bit a couple of days ago, and most of the dirty water came out, and I thought it was still dirty, but it's not that dirty compared to what it could be. Anyway, I recommend it for you. All you do is do it in reverse order when you're done. It takes about 30 minutes. I have Hydro Heat. I'm going to turn on the heat for about 5 minutes and get the water flowing through the system to flush out the lines of the Hydro Heat. Oh.
I'll make it easy for you. Ask him how he got that blowout on the road to LA this morning.
Get yourself another messenger girl.
Just get it above what it's at, just to get it going. Okay, here we are. It's been about 30 minutes. And the water looks clear as can be. I left it running for 30 minutes because the water might look clear, but those are microorganisms that get in there, and you want to make sure it's really flushed out good. So now I'm going to shut the water off, disconnect the hose, clean up. I'm going to shut the water off. By the way, the hose was over that railing. I took it off from over the railing and put it at the same level as the floor so it will drain. You want it to drain because the water in the hose will spill all over. Just snug. You don't want it too tight. Alright. Now it's important to loosen the hose just a little bit, allow air to get in and the water to flow out. If the hose can be at a lower level and the air comes into the hose, the water will drain out and it's less likely to have a leak while you're carrying it out of the house. So let the air get in for a little while, then completely unscrew it, wrap it in a towel, carry it above your shoulders out of the house, and you're less likely to drip water on the floor. So draining, let me explain the system. It's a gas hot water heater, and this line goes to a pump, and this line is the return line, and the hot water goes through a coil like a radiator, and the air is blown over that in an air handler, just a box, and it heats the whole house on one flame, one gas flame. Heats the whole house. The problem is, in the wintertime, you have to boost the heat up on the hot water heater a little bit, but you don't want it too hot at the faucet, just because it takes a lot of energy to heat the whole house and have hot showers. Okay, I'm going to disconnect the hose in a minute and walk it outside. I'm going to wrap it in a towel so it doesn't spill all over the floor, but I'm going to take advantage of all the water on the floor to clean the floor. And while the water was running, you didn't see it, I rinsed off my deck. I cleaned out that garbage can, of course, and then I hosed down the window. You know, you could use it to clean your garbage cans or your car or whatever. It's a good thing to do.